RJ. Stop 7.
Is it?
Stop 7, RJ. Bus. Here, the bus. It's RJ. RJ. Hi guys. And now we're going to Disneyland.
Next stop, Toontown Depot.
There's the cafe. Go inside. Clubhouse.
Pinocchio!
Everyone, take on with it.
We are on the Mark Twain riverboat.
Just the name of a riverboat author. It also means the water you see over there on the hill.
RJ, wait.
We ask that you prepare to disembark.
Careful, sit down.
Look at all the treasure.
Time after. Strike your colors, you brazen witch.
So it's only one more drop.
Yeah. You're not like RJ?
Scared?
So scary then. Bye-bye. Yeah.
RJ, say hi. Main Street, Disney City Hall. Zoom in. Took the train around the entire park. It was pretty nice. Gift shop. Disney Showcase. There we are. Walking down Main Street. That's the Disney Castle, the Kingdom. That's the guy that started it all. Walt Disney, Mickey Mouse.
There we go.
Here we are. The Enchanted Chamber.
pizza, pork.
You want cheese? Everything.
Wow, nice.
Which one do you want? One of these? One of those?
What's this?
It's a veggie.
Veggies.
Vegetables.
Oh, vegetables.
Like this? Yeah, that's
Nothing here. Mega pepperoni. This is supper. Moba pizza. There's a pizza.
There you go. You have a great day.
The water. That RJ.